Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Najiha Binti Hamzah. My matrix number is 2020881998 and this is my partner. My name is NURFATIHah Binti ISMAIL. My matrix number is 2020616826. We are from M380 1.03M.
For your information, we choose the budding technique that we have learned in chapter 6, which is the principle and technique of budding. Now, I will explain about the introduction of budding. What is the meaning of budding? Budding is inserting a single bud from a desirable plant into an opening in the bark of a compatible rootstock. This is to create an advantageous variety and rootstock combination. In this video presentation, I and my friend choose a rubber tree as our sample plant for budding. Let's take a look at the important parts that we need in this project. First, rubber scion, also known as budwood or budstick. In horticultural, use scion is defined as detached living portion of a plant, such as a bud or shoot, joined to a stalk in grafting. Second, rubber stalk, or we know as rootstock. Stalk refers to such thing as the main stem of a plant, which is a plant from cuttings are taken, and a plant or plant part united with scion in grafting. There are several methods of budding. First, chip budding. Second, tea budding. Third, patch budding. For our rubber tree, we choose patch budding. Before we started, we must have some equipment and materials before starting our project. So, this is our used materials. First, scion. Second, rootstock. For your information, diameter of rootstock, we usually use 13 to 25 mm, same diameter as scion. The bark must be sleeping on both rootstock and scion piece. Third, penknife. Fourth, grafting tape.
I'm going to explain how this budding technique works. So the first thing, first of all, there is two basic things that we have to prepare. The first one is the rootstock, and then the second one is the bud. So how to prepare these two things? So let's go one by one, okay? So the first one is we have to prepare the rootstock. So how to prepare it? A penknife is used to make a horizontal cuts about 1/3 the distance the rootstock. And then the two horizontal cuts are connected at each other side by a vertical cuts. That's how we prepare the rootstock. And then the second one, we have to prepare the bud. The patch containing the bud is cut from bud stick by two horizontal cuts with the penknife, followed by two vertical cuts on each side of the bud. The bud patch is removed by sliding it off to one side. After we have prepared that two things, which is the rootstock and the bud, then the last step is we inserting the bud into the rootstock. So make sure the edges are lined up, and then the ingredient is when wrapped with a grafting tip, using care to cover all the cuts, but leave the bud exposed to the air. Yeah. So this is how the budding technique looks.
Now, I would like to tell you about the benefits of budding. First, quick method of uniform propagation. Second, plants with similar characteristics such as color or fruit superiority. Third, disease resistant, especially in rootstock. Fourth, great ability of procedure to control outcome.
For the conclusion, for why we choose this method is, we can conclude that this method is a very efficient for the rubber tree, and we found that patch budding works well as new varieties to a rubber tree, and this method is very simple and easy to understand. So that's not going to be a problem. If that was easy to be used, that's going to be easy for the workers to make sure it's easy for us to do the propagation technique without wasting our time, since it's only used short time to do this.
I think that's all from us. Thank you to Sir Hawarizmi for teaching us for this semester. Bye-bye!